Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I want to talk to you about Minwax's Antique Furniture Refinisher. This is really quite an amazing product. If you have antique furniture that you would like to revitalize, this product allows you to take off any of the varnish or the shellac or the lacquer that might be on top of that piece of furniture just by using steel wool and going with the grain. If it has polyurethane on it, it's really not designed for that. So it's a good idea to try in a little spot with the steel wool, as mentioned, and as it's described on the bottle, to see if it removes the finish. And once you're successful, you can see that by going back and forth, depending on the amount of pressure and how much product you put on there, you could either just take the finish off the top and kind of blend in the old stain, and then you would sand it and, get it to look real nice when you're all done. Or you could apply more product and go all the way down to the bare wood. That's the beauty part of this, is that there's really no sanding to remove any of that finish. Now, it's very important. This is a petroleum-based product, so you want to work in a well-ventilated area. Make sure you're wearing gloves, eye protection, maybe a mask wouldn't be a bad idea. But you'll be amazed at the results. Antique furniture can be revitalized using a product like this. Coming up next, my video on how to use lacquer.